Okay, so I was goofing around last night with our new camera that we got and wanted to see how well it actually does, so I'll show you. So there's the moon. Now this is with a 1/4 black mist. That's without the black mist. Okay, then with the black mist again. Now this has a 20 times zoom lens. So that's with the 20 time zoom lens. That is with the digital zoom, which goes to 800 times. So, is it worth getting a camcorder that has good features on it? Absolutely. This thing keeps amazing me every time I pull it out when I try something different. And of course, a monitor helps out a lot. So if you're in the market to upgrade, you have the money, it's worth getting one if you don't want mirrorless or DSLR. Take it easy.